Hey guys, Ryan here with Night and Day Marine with another Marine Training Academy video. I wanted to make this quick video here for you guys because I've been getting a ton of questions and comments lately from people asking, saying, I have a hook unit and when I go to my sonar screen, it just says stopped. The screen isn't scrolling, I can't see my sonar. What do I do? Well, like I said, I want to make a quick video here to show you how to very quickly and easily remove the stopped message from your screen so that your sonar will start scrolling again and you can get back out on the water and start fishing again. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, it says stopped right here in the middle of our sonar screen. All we have to do to get rid of this is we're going to simply press our power button right here. And now you can see down here where it says stop sonar. For whatever the reason, sometimes the unit will just activate that feature on here. Now there could be a variety of reasons for it, whether it feels like it's not detecting the transducer, or maybe it doesn't think that it's picking up the bottom, or it doesn't think it's in the water, or whatever the reason. But all we simply do is arrow down and over to stop sonar. So we see where it's highlighted here, and see how it has the orange bar over the top, which means that it is active. We're just going to press our enter button. And now it turns that off. It takes away the orange bar and makes it gray at the bottom. And now we can see in the background that it's scrolling. So now we can just hit our X button. And now we are good to go. The sonar is scrolling and we can use it as we need to. So like I said, it was something that was really basic and easy to do. And I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys how to do that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. And as always, stay safe out there, guys.